Coming from his Instagram, we have the update that Colt Nichols will miss the Abu Dhabi round of the World Supercross FIM. Was it round 3, round 4, the finale of it? And that comes obviously from the round in Australia where this crash happened, where, just freak freak incident. Dean Wilson goes down and his bike's front wheel just pops into the air. Well, if Colt is a split second on either side of that, or maybe a foot to the left or right, that doesn't happen, and he's perfectly fine, no injury, no crash, no problem. But that's the little things in racing that you can't control that end up being the main problems. And you can't blame Dean Wilson, can't blame Colt. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just one of those freak things. But from his Instagram, he said, quote, update, bummed to be missing the final FIM WSX race in Abu Dhabi, but I'm back home trying to recover and get my shoulder fully healed up and good to go for A1. Thanks to the team, PMG Racing, and everybody else, hopefully back to it soon. Now, if I remember correctly, he had a update from this, like, that he was just a little sore and, nothing too bad. So it sounds like it's a little worse than it was. Uh, and obviously that's not good. You never want to see anybody injured, especially in something that they can't control and there's no, there's nothing you can do about this. But hopefully he can, fully heal before A1. Was it like a month or something like that before we get to that? And we'll see where he can get. Yeah, yeah. From his from his Instagram a week ago, said feeling beat up today, but nothing crazy. So if he's already home and just talking about trying to heal up for a month, it's probably a little worse than he let on from that. But hopefully, A1 comes around and he'll be there racing. And I don't know. You guys tell me. Are you watching the final round of WSX as you're watching this? It'll be today. Are you excited for A1? Who do you think is going to win? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.